So I just shampooed, conditioned, and deconditioned my hair. Deconditioned my hair for about an hour and a half, and now I'm about to rinse it out. Yeah, ooh, I don't want this on my clothes, but my hair is so soft from the deep conditioner. Whew, I need a towel. So the next thing that I do, next thing that I do is I take this and I just put it all over my hair. I try to make my wash and goes last. And I use a decent amount, so yeah, my hair is gonna be heavy, but I be trying to make my wash and goes last a couple weeks. So then I take this little thing of castor oil. I wish castor oils came in a bigger bottle, but they don't. So I take this little thing of castor oil. I just pour some in my hand. Pour it a decent amount. And then I go over the section. Now I'm gonna show you how to stop your product from flaking with Eco Styler Gel. Okay, look at the product.
Very like comfy.
Like, look. You see how it's so much harder to detangle now? And how everything is like caking. It's because the air is dry.
Like, look at these cakes and stuff. Versus this side. We've literally done nothing but turn on steam.
And it's almost like it re-moisturizes my curls. And the steam gives my hair more slip. So I can glide through the tangles easier. Even if like the product does not help with like detangling whatsoever, the steam helps like my fingers just glide through my hair. Cause it's like getting re-moisturized, but it's not really like getting wet, you know? Like here's an area that started to kick up. The steam makes it absorb. It's not caking no more. As you can see, it ain't caking no more. Like it doesn't even kick up because of the steam. Here's this section. No caking, nothing. No flakes, no flakes, no cakes. Nothing. So this is what my wash and go looks like when I'm done. Like, as you can see, like, it ain't like no caking or nothing on my hair, but my hair is still like kind of, well, my hair is still very, very wet. And this white, it's gonna dry clear. It's still just a product on my hair, but the product is not like clumped together and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't like clump balls and stuff on my hair. So when it dries, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all how, like, when it's dry, it doesn't flake. But I got somewhere to go, like, right now. Like, I gotta get out the house. So I'll see y'all later. I'll see y'all when I get back. Okay, so as you can see, this is the next day.